The notion of God as a central force of balance in the universe is a profound and complex concept that bridges theology, philosophy, and metaphysics. By employing a set of logical triads, we can explore this idea through structured relationships that illustrate how divine interactions potentially manifest to maintain universal harmony. This essay delves into 8 distinct triadic models that describe the possible mechanisms by which God as a force of balance might operate, providing insights into the intricate balance between the divine, natural, and moral realms. In the coexistence model, God, moral order, and natural order interact in a way where each element is interdependent with the others, reflecting a holistic equilibrium. This triad emphasizes the idea that God is not separate from the cosmos, but intertwined with the very fabric of moral and natural laws, suggesting a universe where divine balance is inherent in every aspect of existence. The reinforcement triad, consisting of God's will, justice, and peace, presents a dynamic where each component strengthens the next. Here, God's will is understood as the initiator of justice, which then culminates in peace, feeding back into the divine will. This cyclical pattern teaches that divine justice is not merely retributive, but serves a higher purpose of restoring peace, illustrating how divine balance is maintained through continuous reinforcement of ethical principles. The causal triad links God's creation to divine law and cosmic harmony. It posits that the act of creation is inherently aligned with divine laws, which are themselves designed to ensure the harmony of the entire cosmos. This model underscores the notion that divine balance is not an afterthought, but a fundamental cause in the order of the universe, with every law and every creation contributing to a harmonious whole. In the nonlinear model, divine energy leads directly to spiritual awakening, which influences ethical conduct. This triad reveals the complex and sometimes indirect ways in which divine influence manifests, suggesting that spiritual experiences can lead to ethical transformations that might not follow a straightforward path, but are nonetheless rooted in divine energy. The inclusive triad comprises faith, compassion, and social harmony. It demonstrates how faith inspires compassion, which then fosters social harmony, encompassing all elements back into faith. This model teaches the expansive nature of divine love, emphasizing that true faith manifests as compassion towards others, culminating in a harmonious community. In the conjoined triad, divine presence directly influences human conscience and moral actions. This pattern suggests that the presence of the divine acts as a moral compass, guiding conscience and actions in unison. It emphasizes the idea that ethical behavior and moral judgments are not solely human constructs, but are deeply influenced by divine presence. The harmonic triad, involving divine love, truth, and justice, portrays a reciprocal relationship where each virtue enhances the others. This interplay suggests a divine orchestration where love, truth, and justice are not isolated virtues, but are interconnected in maintaining divine balance. Lastly, the convergent triad with divine wisdom, ethical living, and environmental stewardship illustrates how wisdom informs ethical behavior and care for the environment, converging to fulfill a divine purpose. This model highlights the integration of spiritual insight with practical action, underscoring the holistic approach of divine balance. Through these 8 logical triads, we gain a richer understanding of how the concept of God as a force of balance can be articulated and understood in diverse contexts. Each triad provides a unique lens through which to view the relationships and interactions that might underpin the divine role in cosmic and moral balance. By exploring these models, we learn not just about theoretical structures, but about the potential for practical application in understanding our place within a divinely balanced universe.